Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon to the examiner and my supervisor. My name is Tegar Mahesa, English Study Program 6th semester from STKIP Al Maksum. Today, I would like to present my research entitled Improving Student Listening Skill by Using Audio Visual Media at 7th grades of SMP Teladan Binjai. Background of the study. In English learning, listening is a fundamental skill for effective communication. However, many students at SMP Teladan Binjai struggling to understand spoken English, especially when it involves native speakers or natural conversation speed. This is often due to lack of exposure to authentic material and the use of passive learning methods. Therefore, audiovisual media can be promising solution to improving student listening abilities. Research problem. The research problem are formulated as follow. 1. Can the use of audiovisual media improve student listening skills? 2. How does audiovisual affect students' ability to understand spoken English? Objective of the study. The objective of this study are 1. To improving student listening skills through audiovisual media. 2. To describe how audiovisual media is implemented in the teaching learning process. Scope of the research. This study focused on 7th grade students at SMP Teladan Binjai in the academic year 2024 and 2025. It apprehends their listening comprehension in English through the use of audiovisual material. Significance of the study. Theoretical significance. This study contributes to the development of more effective listening strategies in English teaching. Practice significance for teachers. Introduce an innovative way of teaching listening using audiovisual tools. For students, offer a fun and a changing way to improving listening skills. And for schools, encourage the use of multimedia research in language learning. Review of related literature. Listening is not just hearing sounds, but understanding and interpreting spoken message. According to Brown and Ross, listening involves contraction, meaning, and responding to message. Van de Green and Go argue that teaching how to listen is as important as what students listening to, and metacognitive strategies are essential. Previous studies. Several previous studies support the use of audiovisual media. According Yuningsi and Yaya 2023, said audiovisual help distinct sounds, understand vocabulary, and recognize context. Van der Grief, visual help student spoken language better. Gilakjani and Subari 2016, listening difficulty are not only due to low language skill but also poor strategies. And Meyer, multimedia improve memory and information processing. Conceptual framework. This research is based on the theory that audiovisual media provide multimodal input, both visual and auditory, that enhance comprehension. Such media help students understand context, tone, body language, and vocabulary, which are essential in authentic communication. Hypothesis development. The hypothesis of this study is that audiovisual media significantly improve the listening skills of students at SMP Teladan Binjai. Research methodology. This study used classroom action research based on Camis and McTaggart models, which includes 4 steps. 1. Planning. 2. Action. 3. Observation. And 4. Reflection. Research procedure. 1. Planning. Prepare lesson plan and instrument using audiovisual media. 2. Action. Conduct learning activities involve pre, while, and post listening tasks. 3. Observation. Record student engagement using observation sheets. 4. Reflection. Analyze outcomes and revise the strategy of needed. Research instrument. This research use several instruments, such as listening tests, include pre-test and post-test, observation checklist to monitor participant, and student questionnaire to collect opinion and motivation. Data collection techniques. Quantitative. Pre and post test scores analyzed through percentage and average. And qualitative observation sheet, field notes, and student response in the questionnaire. Data analysis. The analysis compare pre and post test scores and student feedback. The goal is to find whether there is improvement in listening skill after using audio visual media. Thank you. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And I'm ready to answer any questions.